to get the number 4 mm. Right, those two screws here, just remove these. Two screws. Okay, first try to remove it by pulling up. Out. Alright, you can see the battery here. This is the controller head module. Right, you can try to remove the battery by using a monkey wrench or something which you can grip on to pull out the battery. Alright, but as the unit is new, you don't have to worry about the condition. You just have to slot in properly. Alright, once you find it, just make sure the alignment is straight, facing forward. Same goes for the controller itself. Ensure that the controller connectors are quite clean. Alright, just slide it back by following the holes through the stand here. So beforehand, you fasten both screws together, try to turn on. Right, try to lift the front tire.